Namaste. Hi, this is Mansi. Welcome to my second YouTube video. So today I'm gonna review a book named Being a Slut. Yes, Being a Slut. Now some might be thinking कि ऐसा है क्या इस book में? चिल, भाई तो बताने आई हूँ. So this book is basically about a woman, a power, and a mystery. So the author of the book is Mr. Paras Mehra, and a big salute to him. Because being a male, writing down all the feelings of a female is such a big job he did, and he did it very gracefully. Okay, so this book is of about 375 pages. You can easily read it in 2 days. Even the non-readers can also read it in 2 to 3 days because the author have plotted every chapter, even every para, in such a manner that you can't stop yourself to read further. The language is super easy. You can imagine everything while reading. It seems like everything is playing in front of us. I have read n number of books, but this book is still one of my favorite books. At first, when I read the free chapter of this book, I fell in love with this chapter, and then I immediately ordered the book. And after reading this book, my reaction was, what a novel, man, what a novel. I mean, every chapter, every para of this book is giving goosebumps to me. And I'm recommending you this book wholeheartedly, and I'm sure you won't regret reading it. What the book is about. So this book is all about the condition of women in our society. This book basically portray the real image of our society जो हम अपने घरों में बैठकर कभी realize नहीं कर सकते. But after reading this book, you will get to know what is the struggle of a woman. This book is full of emotions, action, friendship, love, betrayal, suspense, thrill, and mystery. When you read this book, you will cry, you will laugh, and you will enjoy a lot. Trust me, when I was reading this book, it felt like I'm watching a movie. I learned a lot from this novel. Speaking of my heart, what worse can happen to a girl? Rape? Let me tell you, I'm not afraid of it after reading this book. Being a girl child, I always wished for a superpower. But after reading this book, I realized that being a girl, a woman, is a biggest superpower. Because I don't want to spoil your suspense, so I'm not gonna tell you anything from the story, वरना सारा मज़ा ही खराब हो जाएगा. So that's it about the novel. I'm telling you, just go and read this novel. I love this novel. I'm sure you are also gonna love this novel. At least you won't regret reading it. And one of my favorite line from the novel is, you don't need any crown to be a slut. Be a woman, and that's enough. And that's enough for today. Have a look of the book. Just grab your copy and read it. And I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.